So on this video, I'm going to install the Chevy Colorado bed tie down buckles, and they say these things are rated up to 250 pounds. And the reason I want to use this is I need to secure my load when I'm driving on bumpy roads and that kind of stuff. I want to haul a lot of my stuff in a vertical position, and so I just want to like stack things up and then strap them down, and then that way they won't rattle apart or cause damage to other items. So now these tie downs, the Chevy tie downs, if you go to their website, they retail at $105. I found there were some other aftermarket tie down type accessories, but they weren't rated to really hold weight, just kind of as a tie-off point. I read some bad reviews on them, and they're way cheaper, and it sounds like they're not that effective. So I found these on eBay, actually, and the guy was selling them at $35, and the reason they're marked down to $35 as opposed to $105 for the set is the back of the metal here is, I guess, not up to the standards of what they would want to be when they're sold retail, but you're not even going to see that because it's in the bed of your truck. Yeah, so this should be a pretty quick, easy install, just about as easy as installing the stubby antenna on the Colorado. So yeah, let's get to it. So you get a little bit of tension right there and it just breaks through, and then you're able to tighten it all the way up. Right. There we go. They say you're supposed just to hand tighten. I wanted to show you what it looks like with all the gear in here using these tie down points, and so far, man, I'm really liking it. My only suggestion would be, if you're going to use this for like hauling specific camping gear and that kind of stuff, that you kind of lay out your gear beforehand before actually putting the tie down points into the bed of the truck, so you can kind of figure out which tie down you need to secure certain items dependent upon their width, length, height, etc. So I was kind of forced into using the sides, which was originally my plan, but it would have been nice to maybe lay everything out prior to actually installing them to make sure that it was going to work out for me. But so far it's working out great. Everything seems to be pretty secure, and I'm going to put it to the test here. Tomorrow I'm going to go out to the National Forest in Southwest Washington and try to do some fishing and some hiking. So yeah, should be fun. Wow. Even I could figure out that install. How easy was that? So, hey man, that's a great savings on these tie downs, and I'm hoping they're really going to help me secure my gear and cargo in the truck, especially when going off road on bad road conditions. So I'm going to put a link to the eBay store for these tie downs in the description of the video. If you're interested in getting yourself, I think that's a great deal. They worked out great so far. The install was easy. They look to be of the good high quality. The seller said that they're actually GM products. It's just that there was a blemish on the back of them. So looks good to me. Hey, thanks for watching, and hopefully you learned something today. If you like the Chevy Colorado ZR2, if that's your truck or you're interested in it, follow along, because I'm going to be doing some more modifications on this Adventure Mobile / bug out truck. So take care. Bye.